Good morning all. In this video, we will talk about the copy operator profile settings which are relevant to the IBP Excel add-in. Let's take a few examples like let's say in this planning area, right, which I'm logged in, right? So I have around 9 copy operator profiles, right? Now let's say I don't want all these copy operators in my Excel add-in. At least, I don't want to display a few of them, or let's say I use a particular copy operator often for my daily activities. Now I want to display that copy operator at the top of the list. I mean, in case in the real time projects, what would happen, we'll be having 30 plus copy operators or 20 plus copy operators. So we always often look out for a copy operator. We always spend at least 1 or 2 minutes to identify the relevant copy operators to run it from Excel add-in, right? So in case, let's say you want to sequence your copy operators, like you want to give the particular order for a particular copy operator. Let's say you want to display a copy operator at the top, and below that you want to display the other copy operator. So if you want to sequence your copy operator profiles within a planning area, you can do that by having some setting in the copy operator profiles. At the same time, let's say you don't want a particular copy operator to be available in the Excel add-in, right? Let's say you want that for just background job run. You don't want to display it in Excel add-in. That also you can do. Let's see those two settings and check that in Excel add-in. Okay, first let's open one of the copy operator profile. And there are few settings which are relevant to IBP Excel add-in, right? And if you see in the general settings, right? So you see here IBP add-in Microsoft Excel. So these two settings are actually relevant for your Excel add-in, right? The first setting is display. Whether you want to display this Excel add-in in your system or in your Excel add-in or not. Let's say if you say yes, it means that this operator would be displayed in your Excel add-in. If you say no, it means that it doesn't display at all. Okay, and then there is an order option. Let's say you want this copy operator profile to be displayed at the top of the list, because let's say you want this operator to be available easily without checking for all the copy operators, right? So in that case, if you set this order as 1, it means that what would happen, this operator would be displayed at the top, right? If you see, the name of the copy operator is copy demand planning quantity. Okay, now click on save. So as soon as you save it, what would happen? It would be displayed at the top of your list. Okay. Now, once you save it, you go to your Excel add-in. Of course, you need to disconnect and then connect back. So the same way you can do it for other copy operators in case if you want to have them. Once you log in, you open the copy operator profiles and observe the list first. So that at the top, definitely your copy operator which you marked as marked with order number 1, right? So that would be displayed. So select a copy operator and click on run. The first one would be displayed, copy global demand plan quantity. That one should be displayed. And of course you know that by default the copy operators would be displayed in the alphabetical order actually. Okay, you see here the copy demand plan quantity, the global one, right? This is getting displayed, and if you go here, that's the same thing that we here. Okay, so as it is having order number 1, so it is displayed on the top of the list. Okay, that's the setting that we have. Okay, in case let's say one of the copy operators you don't want to display in your Excel add-in, right? So as an example, I'll just go back. If you see here, I'll open this last one, 116 copy operator ID, and this copy operator has a setting of, let it open. Yeah, you see here, it has a display with no option. It means that you don't want to display this copy operator profile in your Excel add-in. So you just observe the description, copy total demand output to the consensus demand. Now you go to your Excel add-in, just search for that copy operator. You see that? No, we will not have that copy operator because we are saying that we don't want to display that. Okay, let's see setting that we have. So these are the two settings that we have for Excel add-in. If you haven't used it before, try to use it and explore the things. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you feel that it is worthy, just do like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.